Let me show you how to create these cute images. Search for Bing Image Generator. Open the first website. You need to sign in with Microsoft account. If you don't have Microsoft account, check the link in description. Sign up for a new account, then use that ID here in Bing. After that, copy the prompt from description and paste here. Make change according to your needs. If you want to generate something similar, just change these parts, otherwise go with the same prompt. And click Create. Wait for a few seconds. Subscribe to my channel for more latest updates. Here is the result. Click on Download. That's it. Thank you for watching.